The number of traffic accidents per week at intersection Q is Poisson with mean 3. The number of accidents per week at intersection R is Poisson with mean 1.5. Let A be the probability that number of accidents at Q exceeds its mean. Let B be the corresponding probability for intersection R. Find B minus A. So we know that the PMF of a Poisson is mean power x e power negative mean over x factorial. So for the weekly accidents at Q, let's call the PMF as Q of x. And the mean for those was 3. So it'd be 3 power x e power negative 3 over x factorial. A is the probability that the number of accidents exceeds the mean. A is the probability number of accidents at Q exceeds the mean, which means it's the probability that x is greater than 3. X is the number of accidents in a week. So that's 1 minus probability x less than equal to 3. Less than equal to 3 means Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. And when you substitute these values in this function, you end up with 0.353. So that's A. So let R of y be the PMF of the number of weekly accidents at R. So for R, the mean was 1.5. So R of y would be 1.5 to the y e to the negative 1.5 over y factorial. And again, B was the probability that the number of accidents exceeds the mean. So y greater than 1.5. Now remember, number of accidents is a discrete variable. And y greater than number of accidents greater than 1.5 means number of accidents greater than equal to 2, because 2 is the next integer after 1.5. So we're not writing this 2 because 1.5 rounds to 2, because the reason why we are doing it is it's greater than 1.5. So even if this had been 1.1 and you were doing y greater than 1.1 and it was a discrete situation, so even y greater than 1.1 will mean y greater than or equal to 2. So anything greater than 1. And in fact, even if, well, okay, if this was a 1, then you know that y greater than 1 will mean y greater than equal to 2. So basically, 1 point anything over here would bring a 2 over here. So y greater than equal to 2 would be 1 minus probability y less than 2. Less than 2 means 0 and 1. So 1 minus R0 minus R1 will give us, after we substitute R0 for 0 over here and then 1 over here, we end up getting 0.442. And they were asking what is B minus A. So we have B as 0.442, A is 0.353. When you subtract, it's 0.09 to 2 decimal places. And that was choice B.